Internet Academy scholars, Mrs. Olson here. It is week 5 in second semester. Last week, your February MPR reports, they were sent out, so make sure to acknowledge that you saw them in the ALE app. This Friday, it's March 11th. It's considered a no school day. That's because teachers, we're going to be in school ourselves in a professional development day. You, of course, can still work on school, but teachers most likely won't be available for questions. Make sure to put these dates on your calendar. The spring SLCs, those are student-led conferences. Those dates are the 24th and 25th of March, so just in a couple of weeks. All right, everyone, the quote for this week is by Jesse Jackson, who said, "Never look down on anybody unless you are helping them up." All right, everyone, have a great week. Bye.